This little guy right here, this little guy, is the only phone mount for your car that you'll ever need. Now, before the YouTube game, when I was just rocking with Instagram, I was still rocking with ProClip USA. Now, ProClip USA makes phone mounts and holsters for almost any car that you could think of. Now, when I say almost any car, I mean almost any car. And if you don't believe me, go and check the website for yourself. Go ahead and check it out right now. I'll give you a minute. Go ahead and scroll through. Pretty much any modern to late-ish model car, even all the way back to the 90s, of a car that you might need a mount and a phone holder for, ProClip USA probably has one, if not more, different type of mounts for the car that you're searching for. And so today we're going to be doing an install on my wife's 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe, because the ladies and gentlemen over at ProClip USA were so kind as to send her some free swag. Free swag meaning a free phone holder and a free mount for her Hyundai. So ProClip USA, I greatly appreciate that. And if you don't think the dedication is real with me rocking with ProClip, check it out. Bam! ProClip USA 2016 Challenger Scat Pack. And even better still, if you come to the daily, I think you'll find, oh, would you look at that? My iPhone 12 perfectly held in position with a ProClip USA mount. So actually, I'm gonna take this out of here because I need this right now. Now, as I said, ProClip probably has one, if not more, different types of mounts for the phone holder that you're looking for. So you basically just go to their website, you search your car, then you find your phone, and you'll probably be able to find, again, multiple mounts that you'll be able to install for whatever car you search at that point. So ProClip today has sent us an A-pillar mount for her Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, that wasn't the only thing that they had. They also had a center column mount available, but we didn't want to go with that. We wanted to go with the A-pillar. So her choice, again, totally free, no shipping, no nothing. Thank you again, ProClip USA. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Boom, you got your ProClip USA mount. This one, again, as I said, is the A-pillar mount, and you've got your ProClip USA phone holder. Now, this is going to be the phone holder for her OnePlus 8. There are screws in your mount to hold your actual phone holder. But when it comes to installing in your car, you're not going to be bending any plastics. You're not going to be screwing in any plastics. You're only going to be installing the pretty much measured and cut specific mount for your car. So you don't have to worry about your interior at all. All right, so like I said, pretty straightforward. Got your A-pillar, got your mount. I think we all know what happens after this. So in this instance, all I'm going to do, if you have a plastic removal tool or something like that, you can use that too. I'm just going to use the clip portion of the mount to peel back the weather seal rubber here. If you need to, ProClip also has adhesive tape attached to their mounts, if you can see it in there, so it actually doesn't move from your spot. Same kind of thing that happened with my Corolla when I put the A-pillar mount on, but I prefer actually kind of having it movable. But if it jostles around in the heat, then we'll start using the adhesive tape. Just gonna slide the bottom end into it. Look at that, boom. Easy day. What did that, did y'all time on that? What was that, like two seconds, something like that? Okay, cool. So now we have the ProClip A-pillar mount installed. Now, as I said, the only hardware that it's gonna use is screws to connect the mount to your phone holder. And you can see here, there's where your screws are. Now, in addition to different mounts, ProClip also has different varieties of phone holders that you can use as well. So this one is an adjustable phone holder, so you can pretty much use it universally for whatever phone you may need. Now, if you want a specific phone holder, ProClip also has specific phone holders for iPhones, any kind of Androids you could think of, anything under the sun, ProClip has it. And if my memory serves me correctly, ProClip is also venturing into the wireless charging game, as well as the actual specific charging phone holders as well. So again, check out the website, see what they got for your specific phone, or universally, you won't be disappointed. And there you got it. Easy day. Stupid easy install. I don't see why everybody doesn't have a ProClip in their car. But of course, you know, I had to get the iPhone in there, check and make sure. As you can see here, it's not going anywhere. Now you've got your stops in the actual grips right here, which means that the phone isn't going to jostle out or anything like that. It is safe, it is secure, it is out of the way, and if you really pull back on it, it's not obscuring your vision at all. Same thing, door closed, not obscure my vision, not obscure my blind spots. If you are one of those people who doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, just turn it landscape and look at that again. Still not obscuring your vision at all. Quick and easy install, really, without adjusting the screws for your specific phone or your specific tension, however you want it, because you can do that. Realistically, without doing that, is probably about a 30-second to a minute-and-a-half install at the most. And just like that, we are back in the garage after a liquidy smooth install. I don't know if I should use that term, but anyway, liquidy smooth install. Once again, thank you ProClip USA. My wife is incredibly excited to try it out. We have had problems before with her, especially in the Santa Fe's 2017s, trying to find a spot for her to put her phone, because especially with phones getting bigger, the car companies just can't catch up when it comes to making spaces for bigger phones. So that's a problem that ProClip USA has solved. So relatively short video for you guys today because I'm waiting on a very special thing. So S13 update for the S13 next week, going to the regional DMV to hopefully get this bad girl a title, which means that yes, the S13 hopefully by next weekend will be legal to drive on the streets. So until that point, just like you guys, I'm gonna have to sit tight and be patient. Ooh, it's hard to do because today is the 16th of April, which means that it has officially been 1 year since I purchased this S13 Sylvia. And it's just now in post-COVID world, so to speak, getting its title because it was so hard to get an appointment for that specific thing. So just a little bit more patient and hopefully we'll be able to give you guys a full update and a full legalization update, should I say, on the S13 Sylvia. But of course, like always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Once again, thank you ProClip USA for hooking us up with the free swag. We really appreciate it. Like I said, I've rocked with them in every car that I've purchased. The only car that I can't rock with them in is the S13 because it's too old. But that's not ProClip's fault. That's the S13's fault. But anyway, y'all, hope you guys have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Quick little install today. Go check out ProClip USA one more time. ProClip USA, ProClip USA, ProClip USA. See y'all in the next one. Take care, YouTube.